right there. Okay, so to finish up this pulled pork, I'm going to shred each piece like this very quickly. It shreds really, really nice and easy. Oh yeah. You can see that. Oh, really, really nice. One of the nice things about using a pork loin like this is it's large pieces and it's just fast and easy. It's also much leaner and less fatty than using the shoulder. Oh, look at that. So good. So fast. So easy. I do like to leave some large chunks myself. Okay. The sauce. This is going to be a very unusual barbecue, southern style, southern USA. So I've got about 2 cups or so of the juice. It's got a little bit of pork flavor, pork stock in there, some of the beer, the garlic, all that other good stuff. I've got a 2-pound can of tomatoes. I'm going to put in half the can of tomatoes. It's about a pound of tomatoes there. Yeah. Okay, the next thing I've got is liquid smoke. Love this stuff. Liquid smoke is a great flavor. I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of liquid smoke. It's going to season up this whole big batch and make it really, really good. Of course, you got to have some sugar. So in this recipe, I'm going with a cup of brown sugar. Mix all these flavors together. Oh yeah. I've got one more unusual ingredient for you. Yeah, it's looking really, really nice there. Okay, unusual ingredient. What I've got here is I'm going to put half a cup of maraschino cherry juice. It's going to do a few things. It's going to turn it reddish, bright red color, which you do find used in barbecue, various recipes. It's also going to add quite a bit of a sweetness factor and a little bit of natural cherry flavor. Yeah. Okay, that's looking good. That's a thin barbecue sauce. It's exactly what I'm looking for because this is going to be heated up again tomorrow or the next day as it's used. So I want to dissolve all that sugar, get it mixed in good there. Oh yeah, it's time for a tasting. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Okay, I can tell right away a couple of things. I like a little more garlic. I'm going to go with a little bit of granulated garlic. Like that. A little more salt. Another dash of this liquid smoke. It tastes good. I just like a little bit more. There we go. Mix it up. Oh yeah. That right there is southern barbecue. Oh yeah. Now I'm going to do one last tasting. Yep. That's it right there. Ooh, yeah. Nice little blast from all those peppercorns. And now I'm going to put all this pork right into the sauce. And we're going to heat this up as needed. And then a little reduction in a frying pan and make some awesome pulled pork sandwiches. Okay, it's the next day. I thought I'd share this with you. This is my barbecue pork, looking really good. I'm going to put just a little bit of it in a hot frying pan. Oh yeah, I'm going to serve it up. Huh? It's going to be good. I want to show you how I'm going to serve this. I'm going to put it right on the plate with some of this awesome lettuce. I'm going to add some tomato. Tomato hearts like this. And I'm going to serve a little bit of pita bread with that. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Oh, that pork is gonna be good, let me tell you. Oh yeah. Make sure to leave a comment and try this recipe out. Subscribe to the chefs right down there in the corner. And get cooking. Oh yeah. Barbecued pork smells so good. After I'm done prepping the food, I wipe the cutting board off with a damp towel, paper towel, disposable, and finish with a dry kitchen towel. Kills germs naturally. Wow. That's the best cutting surface you could own right there. Check it out. They do custom sizes. They do edge grain, end grain, maple, walnut, cherry, islands, counters, tables, cutting boards, chopping blocks, and these babies last for a long, long time. This one here is at least 20 years used. You can see just how nice it is. The patina, the quality, wow, I like it. And it's a pleasure to chop on. Yeah, visit your sponsors. So you're in the market for maple countertops. Why not go with the best the first time? Select solid rock maple, full rails, or blended North American hard rock maple is ideal for a countertop surface, islands, tables, backsplashes. Buy the best the first time and choose food safe Varnique finish or natural mineral oil. Check it out at your sponsor. Wow. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Back to the patina. Just like that. And I'm going to work it in a plastic bag here, a little swirl motion like this. Okay, work it in real good. If your block's really dry, it's going to suck that oil right up. This particular block has not been oiled in a while, so it's sucking it right up really quick. You can see that. It's penetrating. Yeah. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Check out the sponsor, All Things Butcher Block, as seen on TV and used by chefs and food service professionals around the world. Check it out at the sponsor. They're having a free shipping sale and wow, it's the best. The best butcher blocks made in the USA, as seen on TV. Contact the sponsor for yours. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. Countertops, walnut, oak, maple, cherry, all sizes. Contact sponsor. Get the chef's cut-proof glove. Save your fingers. No more cuts. Chef tested, chef proven. Follow the link. Get cooking today. The blocks preferred by chefs, on sale with free shipping.